Hope you had an awesome Labor Day. Today's video about Peter J. McGuire, the guy that is so-called founded Labor Day, okay? Between 1882 and 1887. Cool fun fact, history about our country here, the wonderful United States of America that we are so blessed to live in. You might be watching from another country. Welcome to watching a video in this country. So I enjoy watching videos from other countries as well. But about the great U.S. of A., Labor Day. What was it all about? Okay. Peter J. McGuire figured that everybody that had put in such effort, such great thought and hard work into developing and creating the work ethic that America shares today, to this date. Typical 9-to-5 type mentality, along with a whole lot more than that. Maybe 60, 80 hours a week work ethic. He founded this for business owners as well as employees, because everybody puts in their part. Nothing to this date, no great company, no great industry has been founded without an owner or without an employee. Mr. McGuire saw that both employees and business owners put forth the effort to make each industry and business possible. Very, very cool guy. I personally didn't know him, of course, because this was over 100 years ago. But it's super cool. I love history. I love finding out about it. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. I offer free, valuable content every single day. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit the bell icon when you subscribe so you're notified when I drop new content. I hope you enjoyed your day today. Let me know of any questions or comments in the comment section below. I've got free opportunities in the description below. Let me know. Austin, Mayfield, have a great rest of your Labor Day. Cheers. Thanks.